Happy Halloween, everybody. It's Pastel time. Oh, I just love this paper pack. I know it's been a while, but I was just so inspired to make this mini album featuring Michael's PINKABOO papers. Oh, if you had gotten your hands on this paper, lucky you. If you didn't get a chance to get it because your store didn't have it, maybe eBay or something, but this is a great paper line. Love the pinks, love the purples. There's some hints of navy blue in there. It's just such a pretty line, and of course the gold foiling. And right now you're looking at the cover, and I did a kind of a new layering with the glitter in the background, like a triple matting for the cover. And that's a huge spiderweb die. This is my spine with a Tim Holtz jump ring attached to a brad, and that's also a Tim Holtz piece. I just couldn't find my chain to attach maybe that owl or that spider. I could not find any of my little jewelry stuff, so I said, you know what, let me just get this video out before it gets Halloween passes. That's the back. So I love this pumpkin paper. Everything about this paper is fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Now we're on the inside cover, and that's magnetized. It flips up to reveal a little spiderweb die, a little photo opportunity. And now that flap flips up to reveal this lovely foil paper with the spiders. Love it, love it, love it. And you can put a photo there. That's what I'm showing you. Flip this part up. I did a lot of flip photo tags. I don't know, I was feeling in a mood. And this is a tag down there. That's a pocket using that EK Success. If it's not EK Success, then it's Martha Stewart. One out of the two. I have a bunch of Halloween punches that I've collected over the years. They're either EK Success or Martha Stewart, which basically is EK Success anyway. And I got into the shaker thing. Oh, that's that pumpkin die from Michael's as well. And as you can see, I put two magnets on the back, so every time it will stick in place. I finally got on the shaker kick. That's two front pockets on that first page. So I'm just showing you. I prefer it without the little tuck in. I like it like that where it's nice and clean. But I did make two pockets, so I was just demonstrating that you can stick something in it. Open it up, and there's another pocket on the inside. Two photo opportunities. Right there, two photo mats, and another big tag. And of course, there's that punch again, that little punch. And this time, notice how I lined up the front pocket punch with the inside pocket, the same height. I kind of discovered that the other day, and I really like it. So don't be surprised if you see it in a few of my mini albums from now on. I kind of like the look. It's a very clean, streamlined look. It's all being held together by that magnetized shaker pumpkin. Now this is another side loading pocket. That's another punch detail with the spider web, and another photo booklet. Let me call it a photo booklet instead of just a photo mat. And it has a journaling spot on the front. This, I don't really love this little flap there, but you know, you stick paper down and you just got to go with it sometimes. Put notes on the side. I can stick a photo there, and then that closes up. It is magnetized. Flip it back. Love that paper. Love my little spider webs on it. It was just flowing. The creativity was just flowing because of this paper. Two photo mats, and of course that spot you can put, I think, 8 by 10 trim down size photo. Could go there if you want. Great Halloween picture, you know. This now is both sides mirror each other with the pockets, so, you know, I kind of did the papers the same. Kind of like how it came out. I really like this whole album. It was so much fun. That spiderweb die, and not die, punch. That's a punch too. EK Success or Martha Stewart. Flip over, just enjoying the paper. Put two photo mats in that empty space. Love it. Next side, another pocket page there with the lovely paper. This was not a crazy interactive album. It was just me wanting to have fun, and I thought I made the album small because I thought I would have gotten maybe, you know, uninspired with the paper, so I didn't make it too big because I didn't have another paper pack. This is all one paper pack, 1.5. but I don't have any. Usually I use 2 or 3 different styles. This was pretty much one. So that's why I didn't make the album too big. Here's a little shallow pocket, and there's a journaling card, and of course that little flip up. Here, that's a flap that folds out. I can put journaling. I forgot to stamp that photo. Here I just used the pumpkin and made a little pocket out of the pumpkin cut. And you can stuff it with little mats. Flip that, close that flap. Now we're here with the side loading pocket again. Again with that punch. I think that pumpkin punch really anchored this paper for some reason. There you can stick a photo. And this is just me playing with the photo mats too. I was just really not stressing over this album. Sometimes I'll stress over, how everything goes together, but this one was just fun from beginning to end. The next video, you'll see me stressing, because that's a much bigger album with a lot more interaction and a lot more of everything. That now, I was supposed to leave that open, and I cut the paper, and I think I put adhesive on both sides of that poor little ghost. So then I ended up just collaging the whole thing. That's another little photo mat that opens, flip-ups. It flips up. There we go. So it either flips up or opens to the side like a booklet. This one is another one that you can put a photo in the front, 4x6 on that open spot, another 5x7 there, and that's it. Now, when you saw me just hold aside, I could have put another booklet in the back, so I could have opened it and had it as like a whole interactive photo mat too, which was a good idea now that I'm seeing it. But anyway, last page. That's also a side-loading mat. I was having a skeleton moment in the last part of the book. Another flip-up photo mat. I really like these little flip photo mats. I saw Kathy do a few of them, so I got to get back into doing one of her tutorials. This is like a, what would I call this? Like a semi-waterfall belly band back inside cover. Okay, if you make a lot of mini albums, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't, I'll show you exactly what I mean in 2 seconds. But I'm showing you now that it is a belly band, so you can stick a piece of paper. I just didn't want to take away my skeletons on the side. This is another little mini belly band. I think that was like a 4x3 paper. Photo opportunity there, photo opportunity there. Enjoying the paper there. That little tab on the top. That's for the magnet. So this album has a lot of magnets. That's an AliExpress die. Finally, I jumped on the AliExpress train, and I'm liking it. That's for a 5x7 flap that flips down. So I guess it's not really a waterfall then. I would call it like interactive flap with a belly band in the back. And you can hide a photograph in there, as you can see. Hope that makes sense. But just know that I got this in time for Halloween. Love the paper line. If you can get it at your store, maybe they still have it, pick it up. Save it for next year if Halloween passes tomorrow and you're done and you're now into Christmas. Or Thanksgiving papers, that fall paper. But this line, oh, geez, wow. Love it. Love the colors. Love the shabby, feminine, everything. Thanks for watching, guys.